Hello and welcome back to our channel, Big Girls All Bricks. Today I am showing you a Lego theme earring that I got. I purchased two of them from TEMU. I'll send you the information. And I'm going to wear the pink one today. Oh, it's wonderful. They are the most adorable set ever, just because they actually do get detached. It's beautiful. And you can build something else with it as well. So you know what? This is fantastic. I want to put some roses. Some flowers. Let's do this. And I'm going to put a heart. And just up on my head, you know? Okay, so I'm using some of my own bricks, and I'm trying to show you how they actually look. You know what? This is just a sample for us, just to see how it usually works and it's heavy or not. That is not heavy at all, although I put 2 sets on each. And you can always modify them and put other pieces that you like. Ta-da! So these are my modified Lego theme earrings.